This is a tutorial on how to control your shades. This is the input button, which allows you to see which one you're controlling, but it also allows you to switch in between inputs. Your first input, which will pop up like this, as one single one popping on the far left. This is your first channel. Your first channel controls this shade right here. You press it twice, it'll switch it to the second shade, which is your center right here. Press it twice again, it'll switch you to the third channel, which is this shade right here. If you're on the fourth channel, it will control this shade and that shade at the same time. When all of these are blinking at the same time, it will control all shades together. If you use the shades and move them up and down a lot over a short period of time, it will overheat the motors. All you need to do is wait about 10-15 minutes for them to cool down, and then you'll be able to control it once again.